Hey there folks, I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk to you about Maserati service. So at Saul's Automotive, we've been servicing Maseratis for the past 10 years, and we're very familiar with the old models and the new models that have recently come into production. We've actually done a lot of cross-referencing so that we can help owners maintain their vehicles without breaking the bank. If you want factory quality service and parts, we can provide those. If you need a factory alternative in terms of diagnostic, communication software, maintenance and repairs, we use all factory tools, all factory communication software, and only factory componentry for these vehicles. At the same time, if you desire to keep your luxury exotic Maserati out on the road and you can't get an answer from the only dealership in the state that's typically backlogged with these vehicles, we're open 365 days a year for your convenience, and we actually offer a membership program for Maserati owners that if you participate in, you can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and you'll have a technician on the phone within 30 minutes answering any and all questions about you, your vehicle, your service, your repairs, and how we can help. If that means we need to come out to the side of the road and address your concerns, we will. If that means we need to send a tow truck to come get you and bring you to our facility and put you in a rental immediately, we will. We're here to support you no matter what. We're here to support the artistry of these vehicles and keep them in the tip-top condition all the time. We also understand that these vehicles have a lot of cross-branding and a lot of shared model platform usage, and we take advantage of that in every way we can, if possible. If you've been told that you only have one option for one part for your vehicle, it can only come from the dealership, and here's how many dollars it costs, we will find you every alternative if that's your desire. If you want the cheaper solution, the more expensive solution, and the best solution, we'll provide 3 options every time, no matter what. There's no ultimatums here at Saul's Automotive. If you've got a Maserati and you want to keep it in service and keep it on the road, but you don't want to go broke doing it, you know where to find us. We're at 7939 East Arapahoe Road in Greenwood Village, Colorado, 7 days a week for your convenience. See you soon.